This video is going to show you how to cite a web page using KnightCite. First, you need to choose the citation style you're going to use, either MLA, APA, or Chicago. We're going to use MLA. Second, you need to choose the resource type that you're citing. If you're citing a web page, you want to go down to Online Only and make sure you click on the last one here, Website Document. We're not citing the entire website, which would be factcheck.org. We're citing the specific web page. So first thing you do is you put in the author. If you don't have an author, you can either skip this step, or if you feel it's appropriate, use the organization as the author instead. And you'd put the organization in last name. So if I want to use the organization, I could do fact check. But in this case, because we do have an author, I'm going to put her name in. Second, you want to put the website title. This is different from the web page. In this case, the website title is factcheck.org. Go ahead and capitalize it like they have up there. Thirdly, you have the editors of the website. Now, a website may or may not have editors. If you go to their About Us page, usually on the top of the website like it is here, or sometimes it'll be on the bottom of the website. In this case, it's on the top, so you don't see it on the bottom. And under About Us, this one has an Our Staff, so let's look at that. So it has directors, but those aren't really editors. And then here's a managing editor, deputy managing editor. So let's put both their names in. But again, if you can't find an editor, you can leave this blank. So there's two editors, so I'm going to choose two. And we have okay, now we're going to do the document's title. So I'm going to go back to my web page. Here's the title of the document. If you're using a news article on a website, you'd use the title of the article. Next, we're going to do the publisher. This is usually the sponsoring organization. Sometimes it'll be the same as the website title, but sometimes not. In this case, if you notice, it says it's a project of the Annenberg Public Policy Center. So I'm going to write Annenberg Public Policy Center. Next, we have the date published, which this one is April 27th, 2017. If a web page doesn't have a date published, you would leave this blank. And then we're going to answer the retrieval information. Was this resource found using a database? No, found on the general web. Is the URL too long to cite? No, it's not. Gives you the date access. It defaults to today, but if you did not access it on the day you're creating this citation, you can change the date accessed. Include the URL? Yes. In MLA 8, you always include the URL unless your instructor tells you not to. So there's the URL. I'm going to click on Submit, and here is my citation. You can always go back and edit your citation if you found that you got something wrong. And you can click on Start a New Citation if you want to add more citations as well. So once I have my citation, I'm going to highlight it, then I'm going to copy, and you can paste it into whatever document you like. And then make sure you include a hanging indent. In Word, you would click on Paragraph Settings right here and select under Indentation, Hanging. You also want to make sure the spacing is double. And there we go. There is our beautiful MLA8 citation for a website.